Ready? Are you ready to bat?
Ready.
Get your other hand up. You got him? Come on. Put your bat back. Ready? Set. You gotta have two hands on the bat there, Miguel. Oh, stop. Get back there. You ready?
Ready.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, put your bat up. Get your bat up. Bat up. You ready to hit it? Two hands. Ready? Set. Swing. You tried to kill me. Ready? You gonna swing? Here we go. You gotta put both hands on the bat. You ready?
Yeah.
Set. Oh, got it! You got it!
I get it.
Where are you getting? It's not back there.
I get it.
I thought it was right there.